Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to fix the File Explorer navigation pane missing problem in Windows 11 and Windows 10. If your left side panel is not showing in File Explorer, this video will help you fix it step by step. Step 1. Enable navigation pane option. First, open File Explorer. Now click on the View option at the top. In Windows 11, click on View Show and make sure navigation pane is checked. If it is unchecked, simply click to enable it. Now check if the navigation pane is back. Step 2. Reset folder options. If the problem is not solved, here is the second method. Open File Explorer, click on the three dots and select Options. Go to the View tab, click on Reset Folders and then click Reset Folder. Click Apply and OK. Now restart File Explorer and check again. Right click on the taskbar, click on Task Manager. In the search bar, search for Explorer, right click on it and click on Restart. If still not fixed, click on the Start menu, type CMD, right click on it, click on Run as Administrator, click on Yes. Now type the command sfc/scan now, press enter. This command will scan your system and automatically repair corrupted or missing Windows system files. This process may take several minutes. Do not close the terminal during scanning. Wait until the scan reaches 100%. After the SFC scan completes, we will run the dism command to repair Windows image files. Type the command dism /online/cleanup-image/restore health. Then press enter. This command checks Windows system image health and repairs any corruption. This process may also take some time. Please be patient and let it complete. After both commands are completed successfully, restart your computer. That's the complete File Explorer navigation pane not showing in Windows 11. If this helped you, like, share and subscribe for more Windows 11 tutorials.